Gupta from Delhi, and I am consuming this water, or I am drinking this water since last 1 year. I can see that. I was diagnosed with arthritis, and that too of fourth stage. And there are actually 5 stages in arthritis, and doctor told me that you are in the fourth stage, and it is irreversible. It cannot be reversed, and I have to be on the pills for my whole life. But then somebody came across my husband and he told him कि there is some device, एनाजिका कंपनी है, जापानीज कंपनी है, उसका पानी है और उससे ठीक हो जाते हैं. Then he came home and he told me and my family, we are a joint family of around 25 people. We are 25 members in the family. So we all laughed at him कि यार possible थोड़ी है, पानी से कोई ठीक होता है क्या? It was not at all possible. But then संजय जी जो हैं वो आए हमारे यहाँ डेमो के लिए आए, and everybody else was present for the demo except myself, because I did not believe it कि ऐसा भी हो सकता है. But now I am absolutely off pills after having it for I think 3 months. I don't even remember the days, for how many days I drank the water, and I was consuming 24 tablets per day on a daily basis. 3 painkillers, 2 or 3 vitamin tablets, some vitamin K, calcium and what not, vitamin D3, everything was given to me. And 1 tablet, उसमें एक ऐसी थी सर जो 1000 rupees की एक बॉटल थी, जो मुझे twice a day खानी पड़ती थी. तो हर महीने मेरा 2000 का खर्चा तो वहीं कट ऑफ हो गया, बिकॉज मेरी टैबलेट सारी बंद हो गई. I am absolutely off pills now. I had very severe migraine problem. इतना जबरदस्त माइग्रेन था सर, मैं बेड पे ही रहती थी. हर थर्ड डे, फोर्थ डे, कभी आधी रात को, कभी मिडनाइट में, कभी भी अटैक हो जाता था माइग्रेन का. एंड आई यूज्ड टू सिट अप कि यार माइग्रेन हो गया अब मेरे को, मैं तो गई. And now I am so happy to report it that no pills, no migraine, nothing. And I am doing yoga. मैं आयंगर योगा प्रैक्टिस कर रही हूँ फ्लोर पे बैठ के. मुझे डॉक्टर ने कहा था आपकी लेग है ना 90 डिग्री नहीं होनी चाहिए, 45 डिग्री पे आप हमेशा अपने पैर रखोगे. जब बैठोगे स्टूल रख के बैठोगे, आपकी लेग रेज्ड होनी चाहिए, हेड डाउन होना चाहिए. So many things were told to me, but now I am absolutely fine, dancing, hale and hearty. Thank you so much.